The mail dude just dropped his package off. I think I know what's inside, but it can't be what I think is inside because I got a message saying that the thing that I think it was delivered yesterday and inside my mailbox. So I have no idea what it is. I'm willing to bet I think I know what it is. So let's find out. Good old scissors. Anyway, let's do this. I don't know why I struggle with these things one-handed. Hold on. On here. The hell is this? Okay, I am in a shock here. Hold on, I gotta find out who this is from, man. I think somebody made a boo-boo. Alright, I know who sent it. Yeah, my buddy Jimmy from a long time ago. Yeah, we connected. Oh, man, what? Oh, clam chowder. Ooh. Oh, man. Hey, Jimmy, thanks, man. But I just ordered some snackage for horror movie time. Oh, CDs. Hey, cool. Precious memories. I wonder how the old folks. Jimmy Brown. Some good old bluegrass. Cool. Okay. Got some blues here. Cool, man. Oh, another one. The number of the beast. Ooh. Train. That's a good song. Bad Motor Scooter, Space Station number 5, Black Betty, Stranglehold, Stormtroopin', Precious Memories. Cool, man. Yeah, this was an unexpected surprise. This is cool. I like this. Oh, man. Ooh, Jimmy, are you aware that if you had chicken pox as a child, that there is something in chocolate that increases your chance of getting shingles? But you know what? It's going to take me a while to eat this stuff, but yeah, this works out fine, man. I can begin my horror marathon today. Alright, anyway, this is cool. Thanks, buddy. And I'll chat with you later. Hey, dude, I think you still got me blocked on FacePage. I got a letter here I'm going to mail out to you. And it's going to be a few days yet. I'm going to mail it out with the bills. But anyway, this is cool. I'll chat with you later, man. You have a good one. See, this is what I was expecting. That's why I was confused with the other package. And I am not going to be able to do this little thing one-handed. So I will return to you momentarily. Okay, this is for my flat tire. Got this off Walmart.com. Clearance sale, air compressor. Don't even tell you the brand name on it. Oh. See what we got here. Yeah, I put some Fix-A-Flat in the tire this morning, and it did not go up. Can Fix-A-Flat was defective. Pumped in about halfway and stopped. This is a 300 psi air compressor. Don't have a brand name on it. Huh. No owner's manual. I'm getting kind of leery about this thing. Well, I don't know what to tell you. At least you know I'm not like a bunch of other people on YouTube, you know, trying to get some information on something, and all they're doing is just hand fucking the product. Oh, look what this got. Look what that. Look at this. Look at that. You know, no information at all. And I wish I had some information to give you on this thing. But apparently, you know, I don't know what to tell you. There's absolutely nothing. But one of these days I'm going to use this thing and hopefully I'll have a camera with me and check out how this thing works. See if it's worth the $17 I paid for it. Yeah, I was looking for the Hyper Tough digital inflator, but they were sold out, so I got this thing. But we'll see what happens, I guess. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Chat with you later. Oh yeah, Jim, just let you know, I started out with a bag of M&M's, peanuts, and a bag of popcorn. And I'm starting out the marathon with Murders in the Rue Morgue, Bela Lugosi. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. And Jim, thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, going to throw in another PS here. I was on my YouTube channel the other day and nearly had a heart attack. I saw that I had a whole 2 subscribers. I know there's some way where you can see who the subscribers are. I think because I subscribed to one person and he actually sent me a message telling me thank you. But I have not been able to figure out how he did that. So to my 2 subscribers out there, just want to say thank you. And you guys have a wonderful day. Chat with you later. Bye.